I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your phone or device supports Qi wireless charging and note its optimum wattage. Plug a quality USB power adapter rated for the pad's output. Use the included cable to avoid voltage drop. Place the pad on a stable, non-metal surface and remove metal cases or credit cards because interference reduces efficiency and may heat components. Once powered, position the device roughly within the pad's center. Small shifts can dramatically improve alignment and charging speed. You now tune alignment and software settings for consistent charging. Watch the pad's LED or your device's charging icon while slowly sliding the device to find the sweet spot. This is where coil centers overlap and power transfer peaks. Make sure cases are under 6 mm or remove them. Even rubber can shift alignment. In settings, enable optimized or fast wireless charging if available, because firmware can manage temperature and current to maintain efficiency and battery health while reducing throttling. You finish by validating performance. Run a short 30-minute session and an overnight test to confirm consistent rates and temperatures. Make sure the pad remains on a flat surface and that ventilation prevents heat buildup, because heat limits charging speed and can trigger safety cutoffs. If charging stalls, first swap the cable and adapter to isolate power faults, then recenter the device and try without a case. One key troubleshooting tip. If the pad's indicator blinks or shows error, remove the device, restart the pad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.